Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're fine and doing well. So in this video, I will tell you that how you can import and plot Excel data in MATLAB. Here you can see that I have an Excel file named datafile.xlsx. So you can also do it with .csv. Here you can see that I have an Excel file which have two columns. One is number of months and second one is the wind power. So it is basically the 12 months of data for wind power. So I want to import and plot this data in MATLAB. So let's see what will be the step. The step one is import data from Excel. Like we need to type here number text is equal to xls read, and we need to type the file name. Our file name is data underscore file dot xlsx, right? So it will just read the Excel file and store separately the number and text, because it have text and number also. So let's run this. Here you can see that when we run it, then number and text is stored in different workspace, right? Different cells. So the second step is we need to extract the data. We need to extract the data for plotting. Right. The step 2 is we need to extract the data for plotting. For this, we need to make two variables. One is month is equal to num. Num is stored in the first column, so we need to type first, and for wind we need to type, as the wind is stored in second column, so we need to write 2 here, right? So this 2 steps are completed. Now let's move to the third step. What is the third step? Third step is simply the plotting. Plotting the data. For this, we just use simple command plot month. Like it is the number of months, so just type months here, and wind just like this, and run this section. Here you can see that the data is plotted successfully. So let's verify this with our Excel file also. Plot this data in Excel file and compare the results. Here you can see that both the plot are same, like we have successfully import and plot Excel file data in MATLAB. So thank you very much. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.